One problem we always hear about is the struggle companies have with getting clean, up to date data entered into their CRM system. How can AI and sales best practice solve this problem? Tom, get us started.
Yeah, I think this is one of the most from the perspective of the people that I talk to, I think one of the most profound and unrecognized advantages and uses of AI in sales. The If you look at the average CRM, the average CRM is populated with very poor data. Why? Because we don't actually give salespeople any guidance as to how to enter the data. Further, we don't really know how to make the CRM work for the salespeople. It works for every other constituency in the business. Oh, there's fancy charts and beautiful this, and I have no problem with that. The problem is if it's not producing anything but more work for the salesperson, what value is it? Properly configured, a CRM is a huge boost to the performance of sellers.